What the just happened? I don't know what happened. The fire alarm went off like a few minutes ago, and there's no fire. What? 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 My sister went investigating, and there's no fire anywhere. And I'm like, no, what the what? What is happening? So I'm good. I'm having like a little party today since tomorrow's my birthday. So yeah.